From an officer risking his life to save an electrocuted 9-year-old boy, and a deputy breaking a window to save a dog from a burning car, to an officer rescuing a kidnapped child. This is the best of police saving lives. On August 30th, 2022, in Detroit, this officer walked up on an 8-year-old being electrocuted on the street. Without much thinking, the officer jumped in and tried to drag the boy out.
Come here. Don't touch him. He might still be alive, Dave.
All right, I gotta get him, right? I gotta get him. Stay right there. Grab his ankle. Take him. Keep coming. Watch him. Yeah. You there, buddy?
Oh, he's still breathing.
Hey, buddy. Stay there, buddy. Come on. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy.
Get him in a position.
No, yeah. Hold on. Just hold on. Hey, buddy. Take the backpack off. Yeah.
Get back. There's a wire here.
Get back.
Police say the boy got shocked when he came close to a live wire. With severe burns to his hands, he was rushed to the hospital in the back of a squad vehicle. As they were driving, the child was screaming in pain.
Hey, buddy. Blake. You okay? There you go. Open your eyes. I know it hurts. I know, brother. I know. We're at the hospital. We're going to the hospital. All right. These are good. This is good. All right. You're good, buddy. Let it out.
Detroit's going to have his block his street.
They worked together to load the child in, with units blocking traffic on their route, getting the boy to the hospital in 4 minutes flat. The boy was discharged from the hospital after 5 months and is now home, living a good life. The officers who saved him received Carnegie medals, only given to those who risked their life to save someone.
Sheriff's Office, if anybody's in the vehicle, show yourself now! Sheriff's Office,
On February 16th, 2024, these deputies received information that a wanted man was hiding with children deep in the surrounding Jacksonville woods. Deputies quickly located a vehicle and approached it with caution, but he had fled the scene before their arrival. They found the 2 young kids abandoned and alone in the car.
Hi, little guys. This is freaking horrible. You know, already I'll get the DHS up here. We want medical too.
Sweetie.
Yeah, let's do it.
Hi. How are you? You have such pretty blue eyes. Hi there.
We're out with the children.
Hi there.
Can we get a hold of DHS? We need to respond immediately. And medical killed one to the bottom of
sweetheart,
where the gate's at for the children just to check on them.
Yeah, are you okay?
It's okay, baby.
Just make sure he's not hiding up there.
I know, that's what I'm doing.
You all right, baby?
I don't like this, dude.
Deputies believe the children, ages 6 months and 2 years, may have been left alone in the vehicle for up to 2 hours.
Just take the whole car seat.
It's okay, honey.
Good. Go all the way to
Hi, baby. Hey.
I'm sorry.
Further investigations revealed suspected fentanyl and meth in the car with the children. Medics checked the children on scene, then turned them over to Department of Human Services. After the incident, the children were treated at a local hospital and remain in DHS care.
Where are you? You want it? You want to come out?
So he just sent that location, right?
Yeah.
So we're not far behind him.
No.
There's a dog in the car.
Dog in the car?
There's a dog in the car. Oh my God.
Where's it at?
On January 22nd, 2022, this officer stumbled upon a burning car with a dog inside. With no second thoughts, he broke the window, putting his safety at risk from all the toxic fumes.
Some sort of manual lock. It's right here, come on. Hey, come on. Come on, buddy. I kicked you. Come on. Come on, Hank. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah.
A vet who lives in the neighborhood checked the dog out and he appeared uninjured. In a later interview, the officer had this to say.
As it is to say, I'm a dog parent, but that's my only child is my dog, so I would have done, the same thing, whether it be baby, human, dog, cat. Life is a life, and kind of treat it as such in a situation like that.
Well, got it.
This deputy responded to a drowning call in the area of Green Key Road. Once he got there, he saw a woman barely holding on to the 51-year-old victim. The officer rushed there in an attempt to help. He pulled the man out the water and started performing CPR.
Oh my God. You okay? You good? Can you breathe? All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. You good? Roll over on your side. Ida 6, he's out of the water. I'm with him. We're good.
Is confirming she is out of the water.
It is a male, yes. Roll fire rescue this way.
10-4, they're on their way. Copy Ida 1 and
You good?
2.
We'll have fire rescue come check you out, okay? How long were you under?
The man was rushed to North Bay Hospital, where he remained in critical condition and was intubated for an unknown amount of time, according to hospital officials.
What? What's your date of birth? Do you know your birthday?
Swing the 3. Repeat that.
Huh?
On January 28, 2024, the Fort Wayne Police Department received a call from a resident concerned a dog might have fallen through the ice on the pond. This officer was near the park and responded to investigate.
You coming? Come on, buddies. You okay? Come on, guys. You coming? Come on. You need help? Hi. Hi. You coming?
The officer located 2 black labs that had fallen through the ice in the northeast part of the reservoir. Both appeared to be unable to get themselves out the water.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good boys. Good boys.
The officer was able to grab each dog and pull them to safety. The friendly labs were turned over to Fort Wayne Animal Care, with hopes of reuniting the dogs with their owner or finding them a new home.
Go for a ride. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on, guys. Come here.
You're up, look around Oglethorpe and Evans Street.
On April 4th, 2022, the Atlanta Police Department responded to a call about a vehicle theft with a 9-year-old child still inside. Following a successful pit maneuver, officers were able to quickly place the suspect into custody.
Just be pit. Just be pit. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Get the out the door. Get the open the door. Open the door.
So you're trying to kill us? You're trying to kill us? Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us? Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me. Why would y'all do that, man? Get up. Please don't, don't beat me up, man. Listen, don't get on that. Don't fight me, man. Get on the ground. Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. He don't please stop. He don't please.
The suspect was placed under arrest and charged accordingly. An officer was able to recover the 9-year-old from the back seat and check him for injuries.
okay?
No.
You did a good job. You did a good job, man.
The officer comforted the child who was visibly upset and shaken up.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna take it to your mom. You all right? You okay? You okay?
My mom called you.
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did. Yeah.
Excuse me.
On February 16th, 2024, these officers responded to an urgent call. When they arrived, they found a child choking on candy with his mom crying for help.
Jason, lay him on this. Okay, buddy. Hey, he's choking on candy, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
He has asthma. He has asthma. Here, I pass my neighbor to you.
Take a breath.
The officer quickly utilized his personal anti-choking device and applied life-saving techniques on the child, bringing him back to normal breathing.
Okay, he's talking.
Yeah.
Hey, get some water.
I want the water. I want Nada. Nada, estaba viendo película. Oh, he got it. Ya.
Got it out.
Está bien. Ya.
The kid was okay, and he even hugged the officers, thanking them for saving his life.
I call you back. Are you okay, baby?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.